Okay, so Dave Colombo reporting in. We're out here at Lake Ralphine getting ready to put the SeaQuestor Flyer in the water. And so you can see here we got it back from the modeler, and we threw a quick coat of paint on it just to kind of make it look cool. Oh, you might notice those steel dots in the bottom. Those are counterweights that we put on there just to kind of balance it out as we're sitting here looking at see how it's going to float in the water. So we kind of did a rough calculation in the kitchen sink to see how it's going to float. And so now we're going to put it in the lake for the first time and drag it along. Whole purpose today is to see what kind of wake we get behind it and how does it track behind the line that's pulling it through the wire. So let's take a look here and see what she looks like, all right? Okay, so we got her sitting in the water, and actually it's sitting exactly where it's supposed to. You notice that the front canards are right on the surface, and then right at the transition line of the wing to the main part of the hull is actually where the water line's at, which is exactly where we want it to be. And we can see that it's bobbling pretty good, but actually pretty steady. So let's give it a pull through the water and see what she looks like. So we're going to just take it down the length of the dock here, and hopefully I can keep the camera on it and me at the same time. That might be difficult, but let's see what it looks like. Okay, so we're out here dragging the model through the water, and I've tightened the string up so it's a pretty short leash. The whole purpose of that is so that we can actually kind of pull it down into the water and see how it actually tracks as if it's underwater. Even though it'll be on a short string, it should give us an idea if it's going to track flat or if it's actually going to go goofy. So I guess we'll find out here in a second. So let's take a look. That's interesting. Lots of lots of weight on the nose, pulling it under, and tail end came up first. But okay, that's just a practice. So let's see what she does here. Here we are at beautiful Lake Ralphine, out here with the SeaQuestor Flyer, floating and waiting for the real model to show up.